Hello. In our previous video, we defined the core concepts of lean manufacturing. In this video, we will delve into the definition of lean manufacturing and discuss incorrect practices in the field. After defining these three concepts that constitute the essence of lean manufacturing, we can now define lean production. What is lean production? It is a production management philosophy that focuses on delivering value to the customer, striving for continuous flow, efficiency, effectiveness, and quality assurance through small improvements, i.e., kaizens, always aiming towards perfection. Unfortunately, lean production is not always correctly implemented in our factories. Most of the time, the main purpose is forgotten, and peripheral issues are pursued, leading to the misconception that we are implementing lean production. The garment industry is an area where incorrect lean production practices are prevalent. There is a claim that lean production is generally applied to products with few operations, such as t-shirts. However, even in these products, good practices are often lacking. There is a misconception that lean production is fully implemented when single-piece flow is achieved. Single-piece flow is not one of the main issues of lean production, but rather a peripheral one. Single-piece flow is a method that facilitates just-in-time production. However, it needs to be suitable for the product and processes. For example, if you have a product with 100 to 150 operations, insisting on single-piece flow and calling it lean production would not make it so. By doing lean production in this way, you may compromise efficiency and quality while aiming to increase them. And naturally, this cannot be sustained. Single-piece flow does not equate to lean production application. As I said, it's essential to look at the essence of the matter. Do you believe in and practice total quality management? Do you have just-in-time production, where you respond to the customer's initial movement, ensuring continuous flow? Are you making a journey towards perfection through kaizens, with small and continuous steps? These are what determine whether you are implementing lean production or not. Just because you are implementing single-piece flow does not mean you are fully applying the lean production philosophy. Now, let's look at the practices. Especially, production management consultants who are quite distant from labor-intensive sectors and operate based on rote knowledge attempted to execute pieces individually in the garment sector under the guise of lean production. Single-piece flow could not even be implemented in the weaving group due to the high number of operations. Attempts were made, but they were not successful. In the knitting group, although executing pieces individually resulted in inefficiency due to the low number of operations, it was relatively successful. Along with single-piece flow, utopian goals like zero inventory were set. Initially, zero inventory was attempted, but it did not work. Then, it was attempted to proceed with one inventory, which also failed, and then it was increased to 5 inventories. When asked why 1 or why 5, these consultants and practitioners don't actually know the answer. Unfortunately, these practices carried out under the guise of lean production are bad. In the past, products were carried out meticulously on tables using a method we used to call the black order. They continued with a production method that was not much different from this method and called it lean production. And today's result was prepared. Large factories were built, but efficient factories were not established through efforts for productivity. Nowadays, these factories are unfortunately closing down or laying off workers. Orders that should come to our country are going to countries in the Far East like Bangladesh, Pakistan, and Vietnam because we cannot compete with these countries. Did the owners and managers of the factories in Turkey do everything they could to keep the orders? Unfortunately, they did not, and they prepared today's result step by step. We couldn't increase our efficiency when producing large orders. We are already losing our orders to our competitors. There are no large orders as it used to be. In our next video, we will discuss what we need to do. Goodbye for now.